CBSE Mathematics Class 9 Statistics. In this session, we will cover Introduction of Statistics and Presentation of Data. Statistics Introduction. We might have seen data through newspapers, televisions, magazines, internet and other means of communication. We come across a lot of information in the form of facts, numerical figures, tables, charts, graphs, etc. These facts collected for definite purpose are called data. Data is the plural form of Latin word datum. Thus, the extraction of meaningful information is known as statistics. Data means some facts. Meaningful information, processed data is known as information. Thus, statistics deals with collection, organization, analysis and interpretation of data. Give 5 examples of data that you can collect from your day-to-day life. Weight of members in a family, height of members in a family, price list of 5 items purchased from grocery store. Next, presentation of data. Blood groups of 30 students of class 9 are recorded as follows. Given here blood groups A, B, O group, AB group. Okay. Represent the data in the form of frequency distribution table. Find out which is the most common blood group and which is the rarest blood group among students. Given here the list of blood groups like A, O, B and AB. For that we have to draw frequency table, blood group. First column we should write blood group, second column frequency and third one is tally mark. For blood group A, frequency is 9. Tally mark should be written like this. B, 6. O, 12. AB, 3. Total 30. Most common group is O and most rare group is AB. Next, 3 coins were tossed 30 times simultaneously. Each time the number of heads occurring are noted as follows. 0 heads, 1 head and 2 heads is represented as data here. Prepare a frequency distribution table for the data given above. Number of heads 0, frequency 4, tally mark 4. Number of heads 1, 10. Number of heads 2, 9. Number of heads 3, 5. Tally mark representation is given here. Total 28. Hope this is clear for you. Thank you.